So right when you actually sign up and then it's successful, you need to go check your email address, and then a link will be sent to you for you to activate the account. So you go ahead, visit your email, get the link that is sent to you, and then you activate your account. So once you have your account activated, you can then go ahead to log in. So I'm going to log in. I already have account, so I'm going to click on login so that I can log in for you to see what is there. So I'm going to log in with my account. Then, as I said, you need to go for I am not a robot. You slide the puzzle, as you can see. Once you're done, you have to go for the order. So first thing is the pages, the next is the star, and then calendar, and then you apply. So now it's great job, and then everything is done now, so I can go ahead and click on login. So as you can see here, I'm actually logging into my FaucetPay account. So that is the dashboard. So you can see from here, it says welcome back in Woo. So that's basically the dashboard, as you can see from here. So we're actually going to be accumulating. So you can see at the moment I've accumulated 0.14 USDT or $0.14, as you can see from here. So that is basically what we're going to. So we're going to be making free coin or free faucet or free dollar from these. So we need FaucetPay in order to be able to go ahead with that. So that's basically what you need to do. So as I've said, once you sign up, you need to go check your inbox, get your account activated first before you can actually go ahead and perform any other tasks on the platform. So basically, once you're here, this is how the platform looks like. So you can see there are some wallets that is available here. So you can earn from Bitcoin, you can make from Ethereum, Dogecoin. There's all other coins that you can actually make out from. So basically, you can see these are some earnings that I've also received from other platforms. So I've received some free crypto from this platform, that is 0.00 TRS. And then you can see when I received it in that order. It's a micro wallet, so the tax you perform, you're not going to accumulate huge sums of money, but you accumulate it bit by bit. Then you can be able to transfer the money you accumulate to different wallets, and then you can actually withdraw. So that's basically how the platform really works. But within the FaucetPay, we're going to go ahead and then we click on this account logo, as you can see there. Let's tap on that option. So I'm going to tap on it, and once you tap on it, so you can see you have your dashboard. You can also deposit on the platform if you want to. You can withdraw if you want to withdraw from the platform. We use that too. We have direct transfer, we have link addresses, we have power apps, we have merchant APIs, we have statistics, we have account settings, and a whole bunch of stuff. So if you want to make changes to your account, you can go into your account settings, and then you can decide to change your email or your password from there. So if you click on the dashboard, that's where we already are. So the dashboard gives you information or overview of whatever is actually happening. So you can see from here the portfolio value, the amount I have earned so far will be shown right there, and then the other information that you need to know about. So basically that's a dashboard. So if you click on it, it gives you the dashboard. So within the dashboard here, you can also click on overview. Once you tap on it, you have options to see your wallet. So if I tap on wallet, it will display all my wallets that is available here. So you can see the earnings I've made also will be shown. So the coin, the balance, USDT value also will be shown, as you can see from here. You can also click on it again to move on to an airdrop. If there's any airdrops available, when you click on that, it will be shown right there. So you can see these are some active airdrops available. Aside that too, there is history, so you can track your history, all that you have has happened since you joined the platform. You can see from here. So you can see I got credited with 9.9 TRS, so that was like 26 plus coin. So you can see the other currencies that I also got. So this is Dogecoin, and that was 0.25. That is what I got. So that's basically the deposit history of the platform. There's also withdrawal history, so this a withdrawal history from the platform as well. So apart from that, we have link addresses. So this is the most important thing. So over here, after you have gotten your FaucetPay, you're also going to get for yourself another wallet. So I'm going to talk to you about the wallet soon. So you need to get that wallet. Then after you have created the wallet for yourself, then you can actually link up your wallet to this FaucetPay, so that any earnings that you're going to receive from FaucetPay, the earnings will be transferred to that wallet, and then you can decide to withdraw from that particular wallet. So that's basically what you need to know about. Aside that, so I'll take you through this later on. Then we have extra options for wager mining. If you're into mining, there are some options available for you also. So basically that is all about when you click on this option. Then the deposit and withdrawal. Now you've seen that we click on deposit and withdrawal, so you can see right here there are a lot of coins available here. So if I want to decide to deposit onto this platform, I can just click on the three dots, as you can see, against any of the coin. Then you have an option to deposit or withdraw. So if you want to withdraw, you tap on withdraw. If you want to deposit, you tap on what. So if I click on deposit, then these options will be given, an address will be given. As you can see from here, I can tap on this address, and then I can go and then send crypto to it, and then my account will be credited with it instantly. Aside that, if I want to withdraw to the earnings that I've made from the platform, if I want to withdraw, you go ahead and you click on withdraw, and then you can see this is what I've actually accumulated so far. You click on all. If you meet the minimum withdrawals, then you can go ahead and withdraw. As simple as that. So I'm going to take you through all that you need to know about the minimum withdrawal that is required for all of it. Even if you click on this drop down, you can see from here it gives you some extra information about that particular coin that we've actually selected. So that is basically some of the things that you need to know about deposits and withdrawal. Aside that too, when you click on the three dots next to the profile, you click on that, you can see the extra options here. So just as I said, that you can earn from different websites, and then you accumulate and then you can withdraw. So we're going to click, and we're going to go ahead and click on earn. So once you click on earn, these are some of the things that you can earn from the platform. So you can decide to go for FaucetLess, their offer walls, their service, their pay to click, their pay staking. All these are some tasks on the platform that you can go ahead and perform. Once you click on these ones, you'll be directed to different websites, and then you perform that, and then your income will be credited based on the tasks you perform. So basically that's it. So you can perform service, you can go for pay to click, and a whole bunch of stuff can be done. So if you want to go for FaucetLess, let's see some of the FaucetLess that is available here. So with this FaucetLess, so you can see these are different FaucetLess available here. So you can see there's a FaucetPay called a FaucetLess called adbtc.com. And once you tap on it, it will take it, or you'll be redirected to the site of this adp.top. Then a task will be given for you. Follow the task, you perform the task, and after performing the task, FaucetPay account to be credited with that particular task you perform. So basically there are different FaucetLess available here that you can go. So I'll be taking you through as we move along the series. So basically that's what you need to know. Aside that too, we have offer walls. So there are some offer walls too that's available. You have time war. Apart from that, we have monolink, we have CPRX research, low pool, and then history. You can track your history to see the earnings you've actually accumulated for those platforms. So this is another way of also making some extra cash from the platform as well. So basically that is that too. So I'll be taking you through as we move along to get to know what each one also does. Aside that too, there is service. So you can decide to go for service. So you can see the service also is alright here. You can also perform service from time war, monolink, CRP, lobby key, and then you can check your history as well. Aside that too, you have pay to click. So within FaucetPay, there is option for you to go for pay to click. So you can see this option here. You can click on view for you, and then you just follow the instructions. You pay to click, and then you're going to wait for 60 seconds, and then you'll be credited this amount in USD. As you can see, you wait for 10 seconds and you'll be credited with this amount also. So these are all options that is available for you to go through to get your account credited with extra coins without investment. So if you want to share your referral link with someone after you have joined, you can also share your referral link with friends. So you click on this drop down, then you click on affiliate. So once you click on affiliate, your referral link will be given, as you can see from here. Just go ahead and copy your referral link, share with friends, and then they can also be a part of it. So that's basically all that you need to know about the platform. So all the people that you refer, you see all of those people that you referred below. So you can see over here I've referred 3 people, and here's what you can see from here in that order. So the people you refer, all of those people will be shown right below here. So basically that is it. So that's what you need to know about. So as we move along, I'll take you through all the necessary things you need to know about. So but as it stands now, you need to have your affiliate. You need to know your affiliate address so that you can copy your referral link, share with friends. Then your friends can also be a part of the platform, as you can see from here. So basically, that is the information that you need to know about. So now, in the next video, what we're going to do is that we're going to learn how to create the wallet, another wallet that we said we're going to link up with FaucetPay in order to withdraw our funds from FaucetPay. So thank you all for watching, and see you in the next video.